Assalamualaikum friends, here is urban poster wall mockup these file for latest version of Photoshop. That's mean a PSD file. Property is 2.73 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed in parts. Okay, you can download easily. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. All password in this app. Okay, for example, open this one in Photoshop. You see here is a 3 different poster you can import. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, first is here, double click and import any image. For example, we need a portrait like this one. Drag there, here, Control S. You see our design is here. Same thing here, open delete this one or replace it. Control S. You see our poster is on here. Okay, you can remove it, close and open this one. Same thing here, import your design, Control S and save it. I hope these are useful for you. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Allah Hafiz.